Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be testing out this beautiful beast. I love Lexus personally, and especially this RC F. It's the previous generation and it's absolute beast. It looks beast. It has a front split, it has a side skirt, it has a carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber side mirror covers, carbon fiber hood, but it's been painted to match the color of the car. The car is fully painted in this color, Nardo Grey, and it's stock engine, but it has an Invidia exhaust. So we are going to be testing out the exhaust first, and then we'll be doing the 0 to 100 to test how fast this car goes. So the engine's a bit old, so I believe it's not going to be as powerful as if it was new, but let's give it a try. And let's hear the exhaust first. Safety first. The traction's off, it's in Sport Plus mode, and we're going to be testing the 0 to 100 and see how fast it goes. Yallah. 5.6. Yallah. Traction's off, sports mode. Yalla. .4 seconds, 0.2 seconds different. Earlier we got 5.6, but this time we got 5.4. يلا with the traction on, it's 5.79 seconds. So I think without the traction it's 5.4, which is much better.